Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to show you a cool trick to make your Blink doorbell chime throughout your entire home. It's super handy and adds an extra layer of convenience to your home security setup. 1. First things first, make sure you have the Blink app installed on your smartphone and that your Blink doorbell is already set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. 2. Now, open up the Blink app and navigate to the settings for your doorbell. 3. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says chime tone or something similar. This is where you'll customize the sound that plays when someone presses your doorbell. 4. Choose a chime tone that you like. There are usually several options to pick from, so feel free to browse until you find the perfect one for you. 5. Once you've selected your chime tone, make sure to save your changes. Now, here comes the fun part, making your doorbell chime throughout your home. 6. To make this happen, you'll need to set up additional Blink sync modules in different areas of your home. These modules act as receivers for your doorbell signal and will trigger the chime whenever someone presses the doorbell. 7. Simply plug in each sync module and pair it with your Blink doorbell through the app. Once they're connected, the chime tone you selected will play through the sync modules whenever your doorbell is pressed. Conclusion. And there you have it. Now, whenever someone rings your Blink doorbell, you'll hear the chime throughout your entire home, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on home automation and security. See you next time.